Welcome everybody to Friday Fabric Finds, another episode for the week of January 24th, 2025. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And my name is Mason, I'm the inventory specialist.
And this is a series, as always, where we go over the newsletter that gets released on Friday, and we show you guys that fabric in person. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we?
First off, for the newsletter today, we have a sale currently going on. It is the January Basics and Blenders Bash.
Ooh.
This sale is 20% off all in-stock basics and blenders that we currently have. The minimum you have to spend to have any sale on those items is $25. The sale price will be reflected in the shopping cart. So whenever you finally check out, then you'll see what you saved. The sale will end next Wednesday, January 29th at midnight CST. So make sure to save big and stock up with the January Basics and Blenders Bash sale.
First collection we have for you guys today is Scarlet Beauty from Tarnished Treasures. This is a very gorgeous and vibrant collection featuring fat quarter bundles, Highland tote bag kits, and the full collection yardage. We have patterns such as geraniums, daisies, dragonflies, and other floral motifs in vibrant hues of red, green, gold, and black. Make stunning projects with Scarlet Beauty.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Northcott. It is the Stonehenge Retro Vibes. We have the fat quarter bundles and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this are geometric. They're groovy, half moons, semicircles, hexes, dots, rings, and more. Whole lot going on in the patterns for that. The colors are rust, black, beige, and slate. So make sure to get groovy with Stonehenge Retro Vibes.
This next collection is for all you caffeine addicts out there, just like me. This is called Barista from Northcott. Mason's a caffeine addict too. This features 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, the designer cups quilt kits, as well as the full collection yardage in patterns such as coffee pots, cups, beans, coffee stains, stripes, and textures in colors of teal, cream, and brown. So make sure to get your buzz on with Barista from Northcott.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Moda. It is Serena Shores. We have the fat quarter bundles, layered cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, Tokyo Terrace quilt kits, the Surf Waves quilt kits, and of course the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are aquatic florals, starfish, shells, paisleys, and rings in colors of blue, green, and cream. So make sure to dive into a beauty of Serena Shores.
As always, we have a kit on sale, the Courtyard Lattice Quilt Kits from Moda. The finished size of these are 65 by 65 inches, very good size. These kits are originally priced at $99.96, but we have them on sale for $59.96. A huge sale you do not want to miss, so make sure to bloom your way into savings with the Courtyard Lattice Quilt Kits.
The next item we have for y'all is a quilt kit that is on pre-order currently. It is the Tarnished Star Quilt Kit from Free Spirit. It's featuring Tim Holt's Abandoned and Abandoned 2. The kits are scheduled to ship in February or March. The price of this quilt kit is $279.96. So make sure to reserve your Tarnished Star quilt kits and let your creativity shine. I do want to state that these have been going like crazy. Everybody wants these really, really bad. Make sure that you're trying to get yours. They're going fast.
All right, we've got more of these Eclectic Element palette groups. This is the Palette Orange group from Free Spirit. This collection is selling very quickly, and we are restocking. More kits and fat quarter bundles will be available at the end of February. For this group, we have fat quarter bundles, standout star quilt kits, and the full collection yardage in patterns of stamps, tickets, maps, florals, ephemera, toadstools, and more in colors of, you guessed it, orange. So make sure to juice up your stash with Palette Orange.
Next for y'all, we have January Bargains. This is where we put discounted pieces of material, fabric, notions, all that kind of stuff on our bargains page. Like I said, these could be things such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else. And make sure to check daily on it because we update it daily. There's always something new in there that you could find that you might want or might need for a project. So make sure to go check out our January Bargains page.
Next, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. This week we have Barbara H2281 again, who says, "Thank you for another great video. Love the Eclectic Elements Palette Red from Free Spirit. We'll be checking that out. How about some Valentine's decorations on the wall? Have a great week. Well, Barbara, first we just wanted to say we actually have more palette groups coming. We have the orange group, which was talked about in this video. We also have pre-order groups such as yellow, neutral, green, teal, blue, seasonal, and indigo. So if you enjoyed the palette red, make sure to check those out. And also, you know what, Barbara, you sort of determine when we change the decorations, because she suggested the Halloween skeleton over there. She suggested the Christmas decorations. So I said, you know what, Barbara? Yes, we'll do the Valentine's decorations. As you can see, lots of hearts. I have a pink bear there, another red bear there. And you know what? I think they look pretty good. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and leaving a comment, Barbara. We appreciate it.
And with that, guys, we just want to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe possibly, and ring that bell for notifications so that way you know every single time we upload on this channel. Make sure to also leave a comment. You might be featured on next week's comment of the week. You never know. And make sure to also follow us on our social media. Links are in the description. But with that, we will see y'all next week. Have a good one.
Bye.